When I went to China with SAFE, it was so, it was really frightening in many ways, because I remember at one point, Robbie, there was we went to a demonstration with a bunch of mayors, Chinese mayors, who were talking about what was happening in clean energy in their cities. And, they were all getting up and, boasting about what was happening. And I was standing in the back and next to one of the mayors. And I apologize for some of you who've heard me tell this story before, but he leans over to me and he says, "So, when is the United States going to get federal energy policy?" And I was like, "Oh, Congress, it's so hard." And he just looks at me and he smiles and he says, "Take your time. Take your time." Because they saw, of course, our passivity as their opportunity. And look what has happened. In fact, governors, in trying to compete to get investment in our states, it was like bringing a knife to a gunfight. There's no way a single state could compete, and we didn't have federal strategy to be able to build up these supply chains, these manufacturing opportunities inside the United States. And so we are at this amazing moment right now. We have got it. The president has said we are not going to stand by and watch all of these jobs leave. We are going to create a manufacturing backbone in the United States. We're going to reshore rather than offshore. We are not going to just be passive bystanders as our economic competitors go after our businesses.